Hey Dana, and welcome to my blog. Well, there's a video prior to this was the Frontier trying to get set back up. Well, they didn't show up on Monday, and we're followed up, and there's nothing in the system now. So I'm starting all over again. So I don't know exactly what Lex did, but nothing happened. So we're now Wednesday, and it should be installed on Monday. I'm now talking to a representative again and resetting the whole system back up again. The wife has been on a couple of customers' websites, and they say that Frontier is really bad. So here we are again. But the problem is there's no one else that I can go to get internet other than using my phone as a hotspot. And that gets so slow that it's ridiculous. So we're gonna I don't know, we're gonna find out. Now he's redoing everything. It's still going to be $52 a month. And it's just going to be a matter of and month to month. So all that is true. As far as the bill's concerned, we're going to have to wait till I get the bill. So the wife actually followed up after afternoon and got a representative saying they'll be there at 3 or be there in a couple hours. And then she said, well, now it went down. I said, okay. And then she said, representative said we'll be there by 3. And I promised they'll be there by 3, she says. It never happened. So okay.
Installment date. We have to run a credit check on the system.
Okay.
So this will be under your name.
Say again?
The account will be under your name.
Okay, yes it will be.
Alright, may you please spell out your first name for me?
Dana, D-A-N-A.
D-A-N-A, thank you. Last name?
Crosby, C-R-O-S-B-Y.
C-O-R-S-B-Y.
C-R.
Oh, C-R?
C-R-O-S-B-Y.
Thank you. Apologize. Alright, sir. Well, may you please remember with your social security number. If you're not comfortable providing the information, your driver's license, okay?
Okay, let me give you my driver's license.
That's all I can do.
Get better off.
Thank you. May you please provide me with your date of birth?
625-60.
625, 60,
60.
50? Oh, thank you, sir.
No, 60.
Oh, 60?
60.
Oh, okay, sir. Mr. Please provide me with your contact number?
Area code 585-905-8638.
Thank you. And you looking to send me an email address?
Same address, yeah, same. dcrosby004@gmail.com.
Here, sir. Looks like you're on hold for no longer. Check it.
Okay. Man, it's a long process. I don't understand how all that got dropped. You were here the first time when I did it. And I did call around 11 o'clock on Monday to find out when they were going to show up. And unfortunately, it took longer than my lunch break, for a half hour. And he couldn't tell me anything by the time I had to go. So, fortunately, it's not a pleasant experience right now.
Now we're in. Now, would you like your information published, non-published, or non-listed, sir? For the non-published, there is an additional charge depending upon the state, but that's around $3 to $4.
Nah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, just go ahead and leave it public. That's fine.
No worries, sir. So now would you just like for your name to be there, your address as well, or just the city and state, and your first name and last name?
First, last name, state.
We do also have the option of doing D and then Crosby.
Okay,
If you would like that one option.
that's fine.
No worries, sir.
Cheaper the better.
Since you're 1 second here, sir, I'm placing on hold no longer than 2 minutes while I finish out the order here so we can get the installment day going.
Okay, thank you.
No worries, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jeez, now they want to charge you $4, as you heard, $4 to keep your information private. Ah. I don't know.
One more time, man?
I'm here.
I just saying here, no longer than 2 minutes while we change the date to the normal installation.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. Now I'm confused.
Looking here, and we have a method of paying a charge of $35 for the installment fee, or if you would like, we can divide it into 3 payments of $25.
Say again now?
So the way that the installment works here is that we can do one single payment of $75. That would be just a monthly basis, and then after that would be the $50.98 without the taxes. Or we can divide the booking of that 75 into 3 payments of 25.
I see. Yeah, he didn't. The rep didn't even charge me the last time. So is that going to be in the bill?
Correct. Yes, it would be all showing on the bill, sir.
Yeah.
The reason why I advise you that we have this charge here is that since the price is a good price for the service that we're providing you in, it's just going to be $50.98 before the taxes. That's why we just charge that $75 for the installation.
I see.
If you would like or if you would like the $25 times 3.
25 times 3.
So let me see what's going to be coming up here. So with the base 3 monthly basis, going to be around $75.98 before the taxes, and after that, it would go back to the price I was mentioning you of the $50.98.
I see. Okay.
1 second here, then.
No, that go in the first bill, or how does?
Right.
Okay.
Yes, it'll be all explained there, sir. It'll be showing you the amount that you're paying for the internet, the amount you're paying additional for the router. And the charge for the $10 router would be just exact kind of like a protection for the router if it does break. With you paying just $10 each month, it's like a replacement automatically without no extra charge.
I see. Okay. Is that that still keeps it? It's still on 52, right?
That's correct. It's still at the 52.
Okay.
One more time? Oh, yeah, at the price that was mentioned, yes, it's still at the price that was mentioned, sir.
Okay. That includes the insurance on the router, right?
Correct. The $10 that I was, the $34.99 is the price for the internet, the price for life, and then the $10 is the rental, and there's also the coverage for the internet router, just in case a break or anything happens to it.
Okay. And then the $4.99 or whatever is for internet security, right? Firewall.
It's $5.99.
Okay.
$5.99. The internet security for your internet, your house, and then the internet protection for